Press the bell icon and never miss an update from ETAuto.
Hello and welcome to ETAuto. We have here with us the CEO of India's first electric vehicle manufacturing firm, Mahindra Electric, Mr. Mahesh Babu. Welcome to ETAuto, sir. So, as an electric vehicle manufacturer, last 2 days we have seen all the senior ministers, or rather, we should say, key ministers have made a couple of announcements. They have given very strong statements supporting the industry. How do you see it? Do you think now it's time finally when the industry and the government will come together and walk the talk when we talk about electrification of vehicles here?
I think the convergence of industry and government have happened long back, I would say. When the May 2017 report came up on transformative mobility from NITI, the industry partners and all stakeholders have played a vital role in getting that report out. So the journey of CM and the industry working with the government have already started from last year on the transformative mobility which India needs, let's looking at 2030 and beyond. So I would say it's a journey. The start has happened. Looking at what's happening around the globe, it is important that India do not miss this opportunity. I think it's a very important opportunity, and India has a huge potential to realize this raising new industry opportunity. And I believe if we continue to work between industry and government, I think we can be one of the largest EV markets by 2030 to 2040.
So when you talk about one of the largest, we are talking about 100% electrification. Then we again corrected from both sides that we probably not be able to achieve that much. Can you please share with us what would be the natural progress when it comes to penetration of electric vehicle segment wise and also in terms of percentage, if you could put?
See, you can't predict the future, but you can work to achieve something. So the priority, as we said, is mainly about shared and public mobility. So look at three-wheelers, look at, there is a very high possibility of two-wheelers. Look at shared Ola, Uber cars, which are in a route, defined routes. And similarly, intra-city bus, which is running within the city. So if you look at all these areas, there is a very high possibility we can achieve a higher percentage. Now you have to look at India growing at close to 8%, between 7 to 8% is going to create new mobility requirements, and urbanization is a priority in the country, and this will come up with new mobility requirements. What we are saying is there is a very high chance the electric mobility will be the new additional mobility growth in the new growth what we are having. It doesn't mean that IC engines are going to die, they are going to be there, but the higher share of new growth will come from electric.
So looking at the strong push that has come of late, we are moving faster, or you can say with more strength towards electrification. How Mahindra Electric is planning to catch this opportunity? What kind of investment? How are you going to strengthen your portfolio? Can you share a bit?
See, Mahindra as a group, we have committed to sustainable mobility, which is electric. We strongly believe electric is the future. We have been constantly investing and also revealing new products in the market continuously. So if you look at today, we have 4 to 5 products in the market, starting with a three-wheeler E-Alpha Mini till an electric Verito. We also have electric Supro and many other. So we have clearly said that in the Auto Expo we have displayed 4 new products which may come in coming years, and also shown some concepts. So this is a industry which is evolving rapidly and also learning fast. So there is no defined product we can say today for, let's say, 2 years, but I can tell you that multiple products will come in electrification form going forward.
So there has been some quality challenge also of the recently released electric vehicles that has come into public view. How do you see this improving? And second part of question is China, which is growing very fast in electric vehicle space, but that was mainly driven by subsidies. There the subsidy is going to be reduced and there are change happening, do you think they will try to push their vehicles here in India, and what kind of challenge you are going to face as an Indian manufacturer? Do you see any threat from Chinese?
See, industry will have opportunities and threats. What I can say is electrification India want to do should be linked with Made in India initiative. You can't be importing everything and then making electrification of the country, which is not in the theme of the government nor for the benefit of the industry. But what we want is we want global players to come and manufacture here and I would say develop here and do R&D here. So Mahindra is already doing design, development and manufacturing in this place now, and when the market grows up, I think many of them will come in.
Do you have any fresh investment plan?
We have already announced that there are some plant investments in Chakan and also expansion in Bangalore, which details are available.
What is your take on the quality issue that has surfaced in the so far supplied to ESSL?
See, we have not faced any quality issue because we have interviewed all the customers who are driving the vehicle. All of them are happy. We have a report we have shared with ESL. In fact, ESL themselves have clarified they have no complaints from the customer, and it was a report which was very surprised for us to see because ESL themselves have clarified it.
Thank you so much, Mr. Babu, for talking to ETAuto. Thank you.